Welcome to Conscious Mind Short Meditation. I am Jordi, and I am excited to accompany you on this meditation journey today. Together, we will embark on a profound and transformative path where your hidden powers will be awakened. This meditation is specially designed to help you relax both your body and mind, allowing you to enter a deep sleep that will restore your energy and improve your overall well-being. Through hypnosis, I will guide you into a state of deep relaxation, where the hidden potentials that often remain forgotten will be awakened. The strength and wisdom already within you will be revealed, bringing you new surprises and confidence. Before we begin, find a comfortable place where you can relax completely without interruption. Put on your headphones and prepare yourself for this experience. Let your mind open and be ready to receive the wonders that await. Now, let us begin. Now we will start by relaxing your body and mind through deep breathing. Close your eyes and breathe slowly. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling the air fill your chest and abdomen. Hold the breath for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing all the tension in your body. Repeat this process several times, and with each exhalation, you will feel your body becoming more relaxed. We will now progressively relax each part of your body. Start from your toes, feeling the tension slowly dissolving. As the relaxation rises from your feet to your legs, your calves, and your thighs, it washes away all pressure. Then, the relaxation continues upward to your abdomen, chest, and shoulders, releasing all negative energy stored there. Let this relaxation spread down to your arms, hands, and fingers. Finally, feel your neck, jaw, and face relax, soothing your entire body and mind. As you continue to relax, imagine yourself walking down a path surrounded by green trees and colorful flowers. The leaves gently sway in the breeze, and the blossoms bloom vibrantly, creating a sense of peace and deep connection with your inner self. Imagine before you stands a golden door, radiating warmth and invitation. This door leads to a sacred space within your mind, where your hidden powers await discovery. As you approach, feel the energy from the door surrounding you, filling you with peace and confidence. Place your hand on the handle, sensing the powerful energy flowing through your body. When you're ready, open the door and step inside. behind the door is a magical space, bathed in soft light, where everything feels pure and serene. Around you are symbols and ancient artifacts, each holding knowledge and strength for you to tap into. On the shelves lie ancient books with leather covers engraved with mystical symbols, containing secrets from ages past. Precious gems radiate vibrant energy, each one holding immense power. Nearby, magical wands carved with intricate designs symbolize the ability to control and transform energy. Choose a symbol that represents your personal strength. It might be a book containing your unique knowledge, a gemstone reflecting your inner power, or a wand representing your creativity and ability to channel energy. As you hold the symbol in your hands, feel its energy flowing through your body. It might be a book containing your unique knowledge, a gemstone reflecting your inner power, or a wand representing your creativity and ability to channel energy. As you hold the symbol in your hands, feel its energy flowing through your body. Repeat in your mind or aloud, I am powerful and capable. My strength is unique and valuable. I have the wisdom and power to achieve my goals. Now think of a symbol or keyword that represents the power you've just discovered. It could be the image of a radiant golden star, symbolizing your strength and creativity, or a word like power or peace to remind you of your inner energy. Hold this image in your mind, and whenever you need strength or confidence, simply envision or say it, and you will feel the energy return. Now let your body fully relax. Feel the warmth and safety surrounding you, like a soft blanket protecting you. Breathe deeply, and with each exhale, sink deeper into a state of calm and tranquility. Before you fall asleep, repeat in your mind, I am powerful. I am at peace. My strength is always with me. These affirmations will accompany you into your sleep, protecting you and filling you with peace and energy. May you have a deep, restorative sleep and wake up renewed and full of vitality.